everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to enhance your videos with Spark effects using CapCut PC. Let's take a look at this video as an example. To incorporate the Spark effect, navigate to the Effects tab and search for Spark. You'll find two options, Spark and Spark 2. Next, either click the plus icon in the bottom right corner or drag and drop the effect directly onto the timeline to apply it. Start by selecting Spark 2 and position it at the beginning of your clip. Adjust the effect's duration to match your video or a specific scene. By tapping on the effect layer and accessing the settings on the right side, you can make necessary adjustments. For a more impactful effect, duplicate and overlay multiple effect layers. While the duplicated layers retain the same settings, you can tweak other parameters as desired. Feel free to layer additional effects for further customization. That's all for this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.